Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to get commanders in World of Warships. Commanders are important because they give your ships special skills and bonuses. First way is recruiting a commander. Go to your port, select a ship, and then click on the commander slot, which is right here on the left. Click on assign commander, click on recruit down here, and here you can change the name, you can change the portrait of the commander, and then you can select how many skill points your commander has when you buy them. You can get it from either the credits or doubloons. Or you can get it for free, which doesn't have any skill points. Next is through containers, which is we go to our containers right here. There are special containers you will get through events or if you buy them. And those will reward you with a commander, if you're lucky. It's by chance as well. Third is missions and events. Many events and combat missions reward free commanders, sometimes with extra skill points. And fourth is through the armory. Click on armory right here. And then click on the commanders tab. And here you can purchase different kinds of commanders, either through coal or doubloons. Fifth is premium ships. When you get a premium ship, you can freely assign any commander of the same nation without retraining. So, as you can see here, I have a premium ship that is in US. So if I go back to my non-premium ship, click on assign commander, you can see here that I could assign a premium commander to my ship. Quick tips: save special commanders for ships you use often. Level up commanders by playing battles, and use elite commanders to speed up training. And that's it. That's how you get commanders in World of Warships and make your ships even stronger.